The following recipe is unique. It is derived from what Hungarians call túros csúsza, even though a lot has been changed. For our American friends, think about it as a much better version of mac and cheese. The key ingredients are the pasta. I prefer rotini myself. Some salt pork, smoked cheese, and sour cream. As with most recipes involving pasta, you will begin by boiling some water and starting cooking that pasta. While waiting for the water to boil, you can already start dicing the salt pork. When you add it to the pot, you do not need to add additional oil. It's going to fry in its own fat. I think this is boiling enough, so we can add the pasta. Turn on the heat under the salt pork and wait for it to heat up. Once the pork starts to sizzle, you have to start stirring, and you have to keep stirring for several minutes. This is the most sensitive part of this recipe, so please be patient and pay attention. The salt pork will whiten, then be browned, but we are going to take it to the ultimate level until it becomes red. Eventually, you are going to start seeing some of the lard actually coming off and not just boiling away. At this point, you are very nearly done with the salt pork. You can turn off the heat, but keep stirring until the pot cools down enough to stop the sizzle. I like to save the drained lard for later cooking. The pasta will be ready in a few more minutes. Once the pasta is done, you drain it Then the next thing you will add is going to be the sour cream. Nice big lump. And grated smoked cheese. That should be enough. At this point, optionally, you pop it in the microwave for about a minute for the cheese to melt. Finally, you add back the salt pork and depending on your taste, you stir it up before eating. While it is possible to reheat this dish using a microwave, it is best served fresh, so only make as much as you really wish to eat for that meal. Jó étvágyat!